but he needs a special exhibit because he is a special needs bird. He had an injury to his leg, and it required him to be in an external fixator, which is where pins.
Kendra, you gotta hold the food out, not your camera. I'll take a picture.
Oh, I didn't get it.
Yeah, just put your hand out.
Just be careful about those mobile devices. If you hold them too close, you can eat those too.
Oh no!
You might not like how we find them afterwards.
Beautiful animal.
All right, everyone. I'm going to go ahead and guide him towards the bus. If he is in your area, you want to make sure that you get right up to him.
What did he say?
There you go. Come here. Oh, he doesn't like to be pet so much. All right, so he's going to come right up here. He's going to be his next spot. There you go, bud.
Reach out so he can.
There you go.
Oh, how beautiful!
Again, sticky slobber. Now he doesn't eat a lot of that because he eats thorny plants all the time. So that's the life that protects his tongue, his throat, his mouth, all from the thorns. You also might notice that he has a darker coloration at the very tip of his tongue. Giraffes eat so much throughout the day that that tongue is exposed to sunlight. The darker coloration there that prevents him from getting a sunburn on his tongue.
Okay.
And just to show you how serious I was about these kisses, I'm going to go ahead and give him one of these cookies. They're shorter than sorry, not the celery sticks. That was a Dufferin day. They're shorter than the browse that I gave you, so it should be gross. Y'all ready? Yeah. All right, here we go. Caroline. And since he was such a good boy, I'm going to go ahead and give him a farewell treat. We're going to continue on with our tour. There you go. Nice and warm. Anyone want a high five? All right,
all right, everyone, we're going to be going to the Serengeti habitat now. For me to do that, but on your with sheer muscle power, man. On your left and right sides, we do have two of our zebras. Let's see, we have Rhythm on our left hand side, and I know that because she has a small little black teardrop under her right eye. And just because they interact with each other all the time, I'm going to assume the one on the right is Valentine. Now, Rhythm and Valentine, they make up a subherb. It looks like the other two on that subherb are coming forward. We got the Kutsu and Babuyu on their left-hand side. Now, the Watusi cattle, they're named after the Watusi tribe in Africa. They are not used for meat, dairy, transportation, or labor. They're not used for any of that. What they are used for is status. Pretty much the wealthier you are, or the higher ranking status you are, the more Watusi Humphrey. And now Humphrey's getting jealous. So now I'm maybe causing a fight, so I'm going to have to go ahead and move forward. These animals have straight beef with each other. So I'm going to be...
This is Sriracha. She's actually the girl. Castabel's kind of being lazy over there. I think Kibo's looking at me for more cookies.
Is he not?
Oh, Kibo.
What did he do?
No, she saw Kibo's encroaching, so she doesn't know how this is going to go. So this might be short. So Sriracha is one of our ostriches. Some people say ostriches are very prehistoric looking birds. I can understand that, especially if you take a look at her legs.
Is it animal?
Very similar to dinosaurs and often compared to velociraptors. Now they can kick out with those strong legs, and at the end of their big toe is a very large claw. So she can kick out, catch a line in the middle of the tips with that claw.
Here we go. Let's see, big jump, big jump. Oh! Brandon! That was embarrassing. She's just a baby. You did jump a lot higher than she did, though. So cute. Now, Sunrise, like I was saying earlier, she's just over a year old. Her birthday. Oh, she missed. Not quite the big hug Sunrise gave. There we go. There it is. Now, Zara, in contrast to Sunrise, is 150 pounds. She weighs over 250 pounds. So, just being a half-year older does add a lot of weight onto them. These guys can grow probably anywhere from 300 to 400 pounds when they're actual full-grown adult. Oh, no interest. Like I said, Webb. looks really interested, Brandon. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Here we go. Now what we're trying to do here is kind of similar to what we were doing with Sunrise. We're just trying to get her to go into the water. Now that water is a little bit colder. We do heat it, but we heat it for the tigers and not for us. So it's not that warm. And these tigers, there we go. A little more interest, not a ton, but he might. Oh. And once she does make that decision to dip a toe in, she can't decide. She's like, it's too cold. Now she is the smart one of this group of people right now because she's deciding that it is way too cold. I don't want to do that. So now that she's in the water and she's wet, she's going to be more amped to play with us. And she's going to want to jump into this water a couple more times because why not? It's like when we jump into a pool and we get more excited, more like, here we go. Oh, and nothing. So it sounds like these guys are about to do something really stupid, so it doesn't safe. She's like, nah. Luckily, she's a baby, so they can do things like that a little bit more. So guys, watch Web. Zara is one of our, normally one of our biggest jumping cats. Let's see if we can get a big one. There we go! Good job, Zara. Isn't she impressive, guys? For being just a year and a half old, she's already figured out what Tiger Splash is all about. She loves to run after those toys, to hunt them, and then to jump up after them and grab them. She's actually already excited for the next toy that's coming out. Yeah, Scott. There we go. Here we go. Big jump! Oh, she snagged it! We've been doing Splash for a very long time. Here we go. Oh, let's see. There she goes. No problem. Now, Web, are you pulling her? Yep, there he goes.
We're going skiing!
Yeah. You're about to have 2 catfish. Now that noise is a noise that we call possession. That they need to back off of their toys because that's what they want right now. Oh, Sunrise! That was adorable. She tried not very hard for that. It was a lot of fun, Neo. Even if there wasn't a crowd, amazing things for them. But that's mostly because of you guys coming out to the park. We are privately. She's excited. Now, guys, this is the finale die, so give her a big round of applause. Great job. Let's see if we get a little surge out of her. She's trying. She's too small. Good job. And Sunrise. And Tiger Splash. Thank you guys for coming out. You guys get
Look at me.
Guess the last test is advantages, huh?
It does.
He's stuck in there.
He's stuck.
Wow, it's interesting how skinny the tail is. How quickly it gets skinny. It needs to
She
be.
never refuses a meal.
Really?
She's our garbage disposal.
What do you do?
That's a good picture. Okay.
Thank you, Fern.
Let me hear.
Thank you, mister. Thank you. Yes.
Okay, one last picture, you 2 pictures. Probably true.
have 3 red?
I do have 3 red.
Oh, I do too.
One more red.
All right, 1 more red. 1 more That's so funny. Brittany, I've got a piece of chicken.
Me too. One more piece. A big piece
All
of
the
chicken.
bone inside.
Yeah. What do you have there? Okay, I've got you. Ready? We're gonna see who eats faster, my girl hyena or his boy hyena.
Boy.
Here we go, girls. Let's hear it for the girls. Ready? Woo! 1, 2, 3. Go, Chippa, go.
Let's go,
Chippa,
buddy. Let's go.
Chippa.
Done.
Yes. Good job.
So this is a cook to death.
Just to make us look like win. That's kind of rude if you think about it.
5?
But if you stop and make it, have the Tigers go to other enclosures.
Hi, pretty baby.
Behind me, that's going to pick you guys up for the ramp.
That we know about. What we don't know about, we don't know about. Stuff to know about.
Wait, one of the tigers what? Killed?
Tigers killed one of the people. Not one of these ones, but like tigers.